let's relax and pack with the brand new 18-liter backpack from Modern Dayfarer, a bag that's going to be absolutely perfect for personal item-only travel. And thanks to Modern Dayfarer for sending me this bag to check out. If you love this thing as much as I do, be sure to snag one for yourself using the affiliate link in the description, as it helps out the channel. And as we pack this thing out, we're going to talk about all of the features, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to let you know what I like and what I dislike about this bag. But before we jump in, remember everyone packs differently, and it's going to be totally up to you on how you pack out this bag, so try to envision what you would bring along while watching. Let's start by talking about some of the key features of this bag, and that all begins with its streamlined design. Its compact 18-liter capacity is going to be perfect for both everyday carry as well as these shorter personal item-only travel trips. The bag features a new recycled fabric for Modern Dayfarer. It's a 100% recycled high-tenacity 420D velocity nylon. So not only is it going to look great, but it's going to be super durable as well. Another thing you're going to notice about the bag right off the bat is its secure magnetic closure in the front, and that is via the Fidlock V buckle. Another great update for this bag is the shoulder straps, which are also going to now feature a sternum strap for improved comfort and stability. The bag also features a dedicated laptop sleeve, and you're going to be able to put up to a 16-inch laptop in here. The bag also has all sorts of quick access pockets for keys, wallets, passports, and all of your other everyday essentials. On the side of the bag, you're going to have an expandable water bottle pocket, which is a really nice feature because you're going to be able to fit all sorts of different size water bottles in here. And the last key feature of this bag is that it's going to be weather ready. It repels dirt, it resists water, and really that everyday wear and tear, this bag is going to do a great job standing up to that. So now that we talked about some of the key features, let's talk a little bit about what's new compared to the Dayfarer V2 backpack. And that's going to start with that main buckle upgrade that we talked about in the key features. So now you have that Fidlock V buckle on the front of the bag, and that's going to be a humongous upgrade from the previous V2 version of this bag. The updated version of the bag is also going to have a more slim, minimalist silhouette. It's going to look a little bit sleeker than the V2 version of this bag. But along with that, we're going to lose the shoe compartment with this version. So the V2 had a shoe compartment in the bottom of the bag. Now this new 18-liter version, no shoe compartment in this one. As mentioned before, there's that all-new recycled 420D nylon fabric for this one, which is going to be a little less dense than the original V2 fabric. That material was an 840D ballistic nylon, so while you are losing a little bit of the density, it is going to be a little bit of a lighter fabric. And then kind of mentioned before in the key features, there's the new sternum strap on the back, the updated shoulder straps. They were redesigned to feature more enhanced comfort and carry. as well as the refined profile of the bag. So there's clearer lines, fewer seams. It's a more compact look overall compared to that 24-liter V2 version of the bag. So thoughts on this new bag from Modern Dayfarer. And I really like this thing. It's such a structured bag, which makes it really easy to pack for a long weekend personal item only trip. And the unique 2-zipper front flap design I think looks really cool, and it's also extremely useful when packing up this bag because it does have that clamshell style opening. And it's also easy to pack without packing cubes, which I really like because it does give you more room within the bag. Another thing I really like about this bag is the laptop compartment, and that is really nicely padded. It's really secure with the false bottom, and it's just going to make your computer or your iPad really secure. You won't have to worry about that at all. I also really like the number of pockets in this bag. All of the little accessory pockets makes it really easy to find exactly what you need. As you saw in the pack, it was easy to place, my sunglasses in one compartment, my passport in another, my headphones and my video game in the front pocket for quick access. So they're just really nice, thoughtful, small pockets throughout this bag, and that does really go a long way. So a couple things I dislike about this bag. I actually really did like the shoe compartment on the V2 version of the backpack, and I do miss it a little bit here. I also do understand why it wasn't included due to the smaller size of the bag, but I do really like backpacks that have that kind of extra space for shoes where you can separate it from the rest of your clothes and the rest of the things that you are carrying. And just one more downside for this bag. It's a pretty heavy bag for an 18-liter backpack. It does come in at 2.6 pounds, which is actually heavier than the previous 24-liter version of this bag, which came in at 2.4 pounds, which is really interesting because the fabric being used on the 18-liter is actually only a 420D fabric, while the original version had the 840D fabric. Yet still, we are gaining some weight on this new version that actually has less literage. So yeah, somehow the bag got heavier, and you just need to be really cognizant of that when packing up this bag, especially if you're using it as a personal item only travel bag. But yeah, that's basically going to do it for this week's video. Let me know below in the comments what you like and what you dislike about this bag, and if you're excited for this new release, if you think you're going to pick one of these up, I want to know what your thoughts are. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.